name's David.
And today is our very first episode of DNA's food review. Now, today we are going to be overlooking the Carl's Jr., the El Diablo, and the All-American Burger.
Let's do this.
Alright, so our food has arrived. Right here we have the El Diablo, and right here we have the All-American Burger. Alright, so let's go. First up, El Diablo. Here you are, my friend. Alright.
Let's
Ready?
do this.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, that's hot.
That's actually really good.
That's amazing.
Alright, so the Bacon Western Burger is...
Bacon Western Burger?
Dang it!
It's okay, tell what it is. El Diablo.
Bacon Western Burger, wow. The El Diablo is actually pretty spicy, but to say the least, this is really good. The bacon in it is really juicy, the meat, not even close to dry, and it's just, not really chewy, but
Very fantastic.
very good, yes.
How does the jalapenos?
The jalapenos actually really add a lot of flavor to it, but at the same time, they're really spicy.
Okay, so go ahead and try the All-American Burger. Put that on the other side, David. Put that over there.
No, the second.
Put that over
right
there.
No, David. Oh. Put the hamburger in the coconut.
Okay, so now you're going to try the All-American Burger.
All right.
You have your official feelings on it.
Big. Wow. This is really big.
Tell us a bit about it, what you think of it by looking at it.
It's very big. Oh, look, they even got potato chips in there.
Whoa.
You got a big hot dog in there, too.
Yeah, I got a big hot dog in there. Oh, here you go. Wow. Careful.
Okay, eat over there. Eat over it.
Yeah. Big, 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 big.
A little bit too big.
Okay, I'm dropping it. Okay,
Bite into it, gentlemen.
ready, David?
3,
2,
1. Very, very, very American.
Tell us about it, Anthony.
The All-American Burger is pretty good. You can really taste the hot dog in it. Like, as soon as I bit into this, the first thing I tasted was the hot dog. And the hot dog's really warm, and the potato chips make it super crunchy, and the tomatoes just make it very wet and juicy. It's really good, though.
David, what about you? Tell us about it.
The hot dog is kind of creamy, at my opinion.
How does the potato chips add to the hamburger?
It kind of adds a tiny bit of flavor.
Okay.
More flavor.
Very salty. Not very salty, but has a lot of salt. Overall, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And what do you think of the El Diablo?
El Diablo, for me, is still a 10 out of 10. That was really good.
So you highly recommend this to people?
I very highly recommend this to everybody. Anybody who likes burgers, hot dogs, bacon, and jalapenos, I recommend both these burgers. Good.
It's falling apart.
It is heavy, though. It's a pretty big burger.
Okay.
Okay, so we finished our meal. those were really good. We just reviewed the El Diablo and the All-American Burger. The El Diablo was spicy. It had jalapenos, cheese, of course a burger, and bacon. And if you guys like spicy foods, jalapenos, cheese, you're definitely going to like the El Diablo. Now, the All-American Burger was juicy and overall amazing. If you like hot dogs, bacon, potato chips, and all those American foods, then you're definitely going to like the All-American Burger.
I definitely agree with you.
Alright everybody, that is the end of this first episode. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did enjoy, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more DNA food review. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next episode.
Peace.